Hi guys, Sasha here from Femix. Just to make a few observations about the 24-hour sun we experience in the Arctic region, and we are also told that it happens in the southern region on the Antarctic. Now, someone in a hangout the other day suggested to me that I, with my perfect Spanish, contact some of my South American friends and see if anyone has seen the non-setting 24-hour sun at some point in South America. Then I posted this on Facebook, as you can see here, requesting my acquaintances and my friends from South America to direct me to someone who has seen it or who might have seen it at some point. One of my friends suggested that I Google it, which was a good idea, but I don't trust Google nor the mainstream scientism. But I went to check it, just for the heck of it. And I realized that there is no 24-hour sun anywhere on any continent other than Antarctica and the Arctic. So I tried moving the position up and down, but only on Antarctica can you see the 24-hour sun. Suncalc.com says only in Antarctica. If you go anywhere higher than Antarctica, it does not occur. It's very interesting how no one is allowed to go to Antarctica without specific permits, authorizations, and escort by the authorities. Obviously only Antarctica 24-hour sun, so let's have a video. I haven't seen a single video. The only videos I see are counterfeit.